What is going on, guys? So today's video we are going to be doing a shadow light conversion. What we're going to do is we're going to unbox this. This is from AliExpress. All right. What this basically is I'm assuming it's gonna project using these door puddle lights. It's gonna project a Sienna logo. All right, and that is what is part of the description on the AliExpress site, and I am very excited to do this. Now the difference between this one and the previous one that I had in the Golf R was that this is already pre-wired, so that's a good thing. It's based on my knowledge, it is plug and play. So we're gonna take this out, remove it, put this back on, bam, and then it should be good. Let's take a look. I think this is just for a pry tool. We have our own pry tool, which is right here, and let's get a closer look. Again, these are shadow lights. All right, let's go. I'm excited. All right, so it's very hard to do this while filming. I'm gonna try my best not to block the image, but in order to remove this, we've done it on the passenger side by converting LED, but this time we're doing a shadow light. So there's two tabs here that we're gonna put our pry tool under and kind of just pull down, and then like that, and you're all done. And there's like a tab right here to connect like so, and then we're just gonna remove this part like that, and then there goes your halogen light or your incandescent light. Now here it is, the other one. Yeah, so right here, it doesn't click on, which is kind of weird. I was expecting a click, but I mean, it is plug and play. It is lighting up for sure. And right there, as you can see, it's a little Sienna projected towards it. Let's wipe that away, clean it with a microfiber, and install it like so. And there it is, right? Compare this to the OEM one. Kind of looks similar. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave the other one alone for now and put the OEM housing inside this one, and then kind of the next clip again you're gonna see is the before and after. And right on the passenger side, I have an LED conversion bulb versus the shadow light, and we'll see how it goes. But I'm very excited to see. Right now, I see the projection, but it won't be the same unless you look at it at night. So let me give you guys a quick look. Here's how it looks, and right against my hand. Not sure if you can see it right there. Maybe if I lower the exposure, but it says Sienna, right? And then in 3, 2, 1. And there you go. That's the projector all installed, along with the Sienna safety markers, reflectors. And it's a pretty quick install and pretty hassle-free, especially since it's already hardwired. It's basically just plug and play. LED lighting. All right. And then for comparison, let me just shine a light at the Sienna logo. Like that. All right. And it comes in yellow, amber, or white. I decided to do the white reflectors. But anyway, the main star of the show tonight are these projection lights. Every time you open the door, we'll close the door. There you go. We'll open them up. Wow, it's pretty nice. For reference, I'm going to turn around and give you guys a look at the LED puddle lights right here. So these are, I guess it brightens up much brighter because it has more projection, or basically it's just a more LED, more output, more lumens, versus that one, which is kind of just like a projection. So the pros of this one is it lights up the floor much more upon entry, versus the other one, which is kind of basically just for looks. That is the end of this video for the shadow lights. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Take care.